You got to come to that paper.
It's a white view.
Well,
We're doing a bit of weight though.
Get out of this room.
I'm entitled to stand here.
No, you can't. You need to get out of this room because I feel like you're sexually harassing me.
Sexually harassing me?
Yeah. I nearly died the last time you lot came. You're trying to kill me again. That's what it's about.
100%. 100%.
You just don't learn, do you? You're being used as mass assassins and mass rapists.
The police is so-called police supposed to be protecting the people. Yeah.
I'm asking you, officer, to arrest these men for impersonating the High Court enforcement officers on the 19th of October 2022 when I was falsely arrested and they came from the Romford County Court. Now, I repeat, I'm asking you to arrest them for impersonating High Court enforcement officers on the 19th of October 2022 and on the 17th of February 2023 and today, 17th of February 2023, sorry, 17th of March 2023. For impersonating High Court enforcement officers when they came from the Romford County Court. They've come from the Romford County Court again.
that's all right. This is the. Do you want to look at the paper that's been issued?
No.
This is the.
Yep. No order. There shall be no order.
Read it.
No, you look. This is the order application by the bank.
Yeah. No, it's from the court. So
No.
if you read it.
Yeah. The application was about. Look,
Yeah,
you need to look at my bundle. That's on that and my heater.
This
No.
is from the enforcement officers.
I'm serving you with the bundle that's on the heater on the right-hand side, which I'm not able to get to.
Read documents that
Right,
the
you've
bailiffs
got it.
have.
Okay, the officer's got it. She's got it. You want to look at the
These
pages?
are the documents that the bailiffs have, and that's why they're here today. They've attempted to come
Okay,
here many
those
times.
documents are in that bundle.
You're still not doing. You're still listening to them.
No, I
This is
don't.
documents.
No, I'm trying to update you. That is updated now. I'm updated.
These are the documents the bailiffs have, and they've been offered to you to view many times. You've refused.
No,
So
listen.
if you're not sure if you
Listen.
view the document,
No, listen.
it shows that obviously you're being ignorant of the fact
you
that
need
these
to
bailiffs
be-
are here for a reason.
Right, you
Yeah,
haven't
it's
given
not
me your
wrong.
name. You are not on your oath. Are you on your oath?
This is ridiculous.
What is?
Please leave the property.
It's my shoulder number. I've given you that many times.
I need your
Any
name.
information. I'm not
I
giving
need
you
your
my
name. You're not a police officer then. Sorry, I need
You're
a proper
okay.
police officer.
You're okay.
Are you trying to section me under the Mental Health Act now?
Do you need sectioning?
Do you need sectioning?
Why would you say that for?
Because you can't give me your name and
That
you're a
needs to be
police
my name.
officer.
That needs to be my name. We go by numbers.
Are you all right? Are you all
I'm
right?
very good, thank you. So the bailiffs here have the documentation for you that you've refused to view. I've tried to offer you to view that and you've not. You've answering.
You need to see the updated bundle that your female colleague has got.
So we've asked you over 10 times now.
Don't talk
leave.
to me. I'm not talking to any men. Sorry. Get me a female officer.
Right.
Hello. Hi. You've got the paperwork from the King's Bench Division. Can you step away, please?
Yeah.
I need to speak to the female. Yeah, thank you. Hello. So the bundle is from the King's Bench Division. That was submitted to them yesterday. The matter is in the higher jurisdiction of the Justice. And these men have they need to be arrested because when they came on the 19th of October 2022, they impersonated the High Court enforcement officers, and they're coming from the Romford County Court, which has no authority to do any possessions, and they needed a High Court writ. They did not have a High Court writ, so Sergeant Betts asked for the officers to produce the paperwork that authorised them to do. Sergeant Betts told the officers they could not have interfered the last time, so they need to be arrested.
Madam, the 19th of October was when the last eviction was completed and you was removed from the property.
No, I was falsely arrested and released by Sergeant Betts.
It's not going to work both talking over each other.
And you're compromising the police officers now without any authority. These are criminal gangsters.
Madam, will you let me finish talking, please?
They're acting above the law.
Madam, will you let me finish talking?
You've said your bit. Let him talk.
No, I've heard everything he's got to say. I'm not talking to a man. I'm not talking to a man.
I haven't heard what he's got
You
to say.
verify his paperwork first.
I've seen his identification. I've seen.
No,
his
you need to see
paperwork.
the writ of the High Court that says they can break entry today, 17th of March. They don't have it. They don't have it. Because the bank's claim has been struck out. The bank's claim has been struck out.
If you're not going to hear other people out, this conversation is pointless, isn't it? We all need to speak.
No, you need to do your job, which is to verify the paperwork, for which they've broken entry today,
I've seen all paperwork.
which says they can break entry from the King's Bench Division.
They've got authority to evict you out.
No,
of this
I've got the bundle in the King's Bench Division. You need to know the jurisdiction that this matter is in.
You removed from the property.
No,
The property was side-texted up.
Sergeant Betts released us.
All the windows and doors were all.
Sergeant Betts released us for false arrest. We're falsely
So
arrested.
someone,
Falsely arrested by police.
Broken in
Sergeant Betts
So
is
you're here
compromised.
illegally from the first point of view anyway. However, we've got a warrant, okay, to take the property back. I've offered to show you that about a dozen times now, and you refuse to look at it. Okay? We can't carry on. I beg your pardon, sir? I'm not lying, sir. I'm not lying, sir. I have offered to show it to you at least a dozen times. I know you want to be arrested, sir. I've seen this mistake here. To be honest, if we do that, the question
No, he hasn't assaulted you. You assaulted him, and you criminally damaged the property.
will you leave the property?
Get out.
You leave the property.
Get out. You're a criminal. You're a rapist. You're a murderer. Get out.
Be arrested.
No, Sergeant Betts is in trouble now with Stuart Bell
Okay, so you,
and Mark Rowley. They're in trouble.
Madam, will you please leave the property?
I don't talk to men. Get out. Rapists and murderers. Get out this room. You're sexually harassing me.
Madam, please.
He's sexually harassing me. Police officers.
Madam,
He's sexually harassing me. Can you arrest him?
Madam,
Please leave the property.
Madam, please.
Can you stop these men sexually harassing me?
Madam, will you please leave the property?
We're asking you politely, madam. Please leave the
Madam, please
property.
do not go any further.
Please leave the property. Madam, please leave the property.
Madam, will you please
Can
leave
you
the
stop
property?
them?
Please leave the property, madam.
Can you see what they're doing to me?
Madam,
Madam, will you please leave the property?
You'll be arrested if you don't leave.
Madam, will you please leave the property?
You're going to have to arrest me.
Okay, listen, you're under arrest for obstructing a law enforcement officer. Okay, this arrest is necessary to prevent loss and damage to property and to prevent physical harm. Okay, the grounds for this arrest is that the enforcement officers have come here, they've given you the warrant, they've explained why you need to leave, and you're not leaving. Okay, so you don't have to say anything, but may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Okay? Alright, you have to come with me. You gonna come out?
No, I'm not. No.
Well, listen, you have to come out. We don't want to drag you out.
Any property here that belongs to you? So
The time is 9:50.
take the phone off you because you
No.
I've got it here. It's not going anywhere.
Listen.
I need to collect my bag. I need to collect my bag. It's next door. Can you get my... That's too tight. Can you loosen that,
Yeah,
please?
well, yeah. Yeah, I'll listen.
Madam, is there any medication that you require? Can you tell us where it is and we'll go and get it for you?
Don't feel comfortable with them gifting it up on the house.
My bag is
Thank
next
you.
door. Right, handbag, backpack.
Any